Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back. Today I'm back at Dollywood. Today I wanted to try the tasting pass. According to the brochure, it's $39.99 plus tax, or if you're a gold and diamond pass holder, it is $36.99 plus tax. So I'm going to see if it's worth it. I'm here with my son, and I think we're going to split it. If there's anything else that we want besides the 5 items that you get to choose, we might just buy it individually. I've always wanted to try the tasting pass in past festivals. The reason that I'm going to finally do it this time is I noticed there's several items this time that are meat-free, and I have been a vegetarian for 25 years. The festival that's going on right now is the Smoky Mountain Christmas Festival, and it started November 1st. And it goes until January 5th. We just got scanned in, and I asked the guy who scanned us in where we would buy the tasting pass, and he said at the ice cream parlor. So it's right here. Here are 2 things that they offer at the ice cream parlor too. They have this chocolate peppermint ice cream sandwich and a mint chocolate chip milkshake. Both are marked with the red Christmas tree that says that they're eligible for the tasting pass. And this is what the tasting pass looks like. It comes with this lanyard so you can wear it around your neck if you wanted to. First thing we're gonna try are the Santa's skillet potatoes. All right, here's the first thing we're trying. It's the Santa's skillet potatoes, and it's described as a hearty treat of sea salt potato chips, queso, cheddar and sour cream, and onion seasonings, diced tomatoes, green onions, and ranch dressing. So this is pretty good. The potatoes are more like potato chips. I thought it was gonna be more like a au gratin sort of thing, like thin, softer potatoes, but it's still pretty good. One of the perks of having a season pass is that they give you a cup. If you're a diamond season pass holder, you get this one. You can do hot and cold drinks, and the refills are free. The next selection is something my son picked out for himself. It's the buffalo chicken loaded potato. It's described as spiced rub chicken, buffalo sauce, green onions, and ranch dressing placed over a baked potato and topped with blue cheese crumbles for a delicious meal. And then he also got this Christmas punch. Christmas punch was $5.99 and the loaded potato was $14.99. Already using just 3 scans, we've already used $33.97 worth of food. So we only have $3.02 left to break even, and we still have 2 scans to do. I went in this merch shop when I was here 2 days ago, and I kept thinking about this hoodie, so I came back and I just got it. And then when I was checking out, I saw that they have these bear ears here too. It says they're $6.99. We're gonna walk around a little bit before getting something else to eat, just so we can let our food digest a little bit. So we're gonna go walk around the Dolly Parton experience area. I didn't show it that much in my last video that I did 2 days ago. So I'm gonna see how they decorated in here. I already noticed these really nice butterflies they have. There's a good shot. Over here they have a really beautiful pink decorated Christmas tree and more twinkling lights hanging off of those trees. Little ducky. We're at Iron Horse Pizza now. They have both the rosemary garlic white pizza and the loaded potato soup that are both eligible to be used with the tasting pass. So I went in to get the rosemary garlic white pizza, but it has bacon on it, and I asked if they could make one without bacon, and they said that it's pre-made, so that's not an option, so I guess we're not gonna get that. Since the pizza was a fail, we're gonna go ahead and try the red velvet funnel cake. That's $12.99. This place also has the hot chocolate. They sell it for $4.99, but as I said earlier, if you have that diamond pass mug, you get that for free. Here it is. This is the red velvet funnel cake. I'm gonna share this with my son. There's no way I could eat this whole thing. I can definitely taste the red velvet flavor in this. Of course, it still has the funnel cake flavor. That's common sense. since it's a funnel cake. Still has like the fried dough flavor to it, but I definitely can tell the additional red velvet flavor in there. And then the cream cheese topping is a really nice touch. I really like that. This was better than what I was expecting. We have a show going on. We're on our mission to get our 5th and final scan for the tasting pass. It's pretty dark, but the final scan we did was the roasted red pepper and Gouda soup, and it's $8.99, which isn't that expensive compared to other stuff, but we've already gotten our values worth out of the pass, so it's all good. Here's a view of the soup. We gotta go find somewhere to sit down and eat this. Found a table to eat this soup here where I can also watch a show. There. In the Valley Theater. The soup's pretty good. I wish I had like a baguette or something to dip in it, but I don't have any complaints. If you guys haven't watched my video I did about the Christmas lights, make sure that you go back and watch that. It was the last video I posted. So to answer the question of is the tasting pass worth it, I would definitely say it is. We had only scanned like 3 things and we had already made our money's worth already. And we still had 2 more scans to go. And that was with one of them being a drink. The drink's only $5.99. I would definitely say it's worth it. I would definitely do it again, especially if I came up here with more of my kids. We would probably like split it. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out here. Please like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.